Freelance.com is an online platform where you can bid on projects across various industries. It connects freelancers with clients looking for specific skills, allowing you to showcase your expertise and compete for jobs in areas like writing, design, coding, and more. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Freelancer.com features competitive bidding for projects in diverse industries. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into freelance.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So firstly, let's know what is freelance.com. So it's an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients seeking services in various industries. It allows freelancers to bid on projects, offering their skills and expertise to win work in areas like writing, design, programming, and more. All I have to do right now is just come back here in the top right and you select here enrollment or connection if you already have an account. I will just click over enrollment and you will find a page which is this one. As you can see, we have here if you are a freelancing client partner. So here we have I'm looking for mission and account. I integrate expert network. I will just here click over freelancer. Then you will find this page. As you can see, you have just to add this information, then you will just click over here register, and then you will find the platform or the homepage of freelance.com. Once you link your information, you will find the page which is this one. You have just to answer this question, then you click over next and you'll find other page which is the homepage of freelance, of course. Alright, so we have the home page. As you can see, you have just here to select your profiles which should be invisible to business. To improve your references, you have just to add description, add a photo from profile. So anyways, let's just get it started. If you want here the option of dashboard, you click over it, missions, messages, and help. So let's just get started and discovering this platform. Firstly, let's know how you can use freelance.com. So to use it, you have just to set up a profile showcasing your skills and experience, as I did, browse available projects in your file, and submit bids with a proposal and your desired rate. Clients review bids and choose the freelancer they want to work with. Once hired, complete the project according to the client's requirements and get paid once the work is approved. You can also communicate with clients and track project progress throughout the platform. Right, so let's just here get started by clicking over the dashboard. So where we have it right now, let's just here searching for designer, and you search also here, or you can just click over here and you search. So here we have here for 45,000 freelancer available. You have just to click over here for an interest use as you need. Also, we have your rate per day, and you have just to add experience if you are junior, intermediate, and also you have availability. You select here if you want 6 days per week, 4 days per week, 1 day per week, and also here we have the language that you want. This is Allemande, English, Germany, Spanish, French, and also Italy. And then you get started with this one. As you can see, once you select the niche that you want, if it's intermediate or junior, and you select it, then you will find here this freelancers with her or his information. All right, so you have the rate, we have your web editor, and here we have the skills writer, proofreader, and here we have also here from here we have 675 euro per day. And also we have here, for example, social media manager. You have just to search for here those freelancers. All right, so this is about missions or dashboard, I mean. And then we have here missions. Here we have graphic design, art director, digital, and print. And here we have 2 days per a week, and here we have, you can just search for a mission if you want. Then you have just to get it started in the search for a mission. Also we have here the option of messages, and you have just to get it started, and you have just to start discussion with freelancer. All right, then we have here for also here help. As you can see, obviously enter your email address and your password, then you log in, as you can see, and you have just to get started, and if you want need a help, of course. Right, So right now you have just to get started and you search by selecting here the city and also UX designer, and you search, then you get started and you find here freelancers. If you want to also here achievement, and here we have the option of achievement, and we have in the left the filter. As you can see, we have main profession and we have here achievements. As you can see, you have just to search for it. Alright, so this is how it works with this one. And well, let's just come back to the dashboard to discovering other information. Right, so you have search and mission, we have here our good plans, and also we have here recommendation, and here we have the profile of freelancers. As you can see, right, so you have to, for example, you have just to select this one and you search all about it, and here we have it right now. If you wanna here select it, you click over here and be reminded, and here we have lunches, we have a salary portage, simulation salary portage, international. If one also here our offer, resources, and events as well. Alright, we have just to read this information to more understand about this one, and then you get started with this platform, which is freelance.com. Right, so this platform could help you to get in started, and you have just also here to register your profile, but we have validate your email address, add a description, add a photo from profile, and if you want to search a mission, you have just to click over missions and you get started. So freelance.com offers a flexible way to find freelance work by connecting skilled professionals with clients from around the world. By creating a strong profile, bidding on relevant projects, and delivering quality work, freelancers can build their reputation and grow their careers. The platform's competitive bidding system helps ensure that freelancers can showcase their abilities and secure diverse opportunities across multiple industries. Right? So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Before getting started on this platform, which is freelance.com, you have to more understand, more search, you have to be patient, and then you have to search more as I said, right? So you have to also finalization your profile to be a good profile that could attract people, right? We have here also availability and availability, and you have here available. We have also here other things that could help you. So we have just to click over request recommendations, and you have just to add here those information. So here we have add a personalized message to request, and also we have here who do you want to ask for recommendation from. You have just to invite your former colleagues or clients recommended you, and that's it. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.